To begin, press and hold X for 4 seconds to enter receiver menu. Buzzer beeps once, which indicates we've now entered receiver menu. LRN is displayed. Scroll to the right to ERA for erase. Press and release square to enter. Scroll to the right to all. To now master erase all the transmitters, press and hold the square while simultaneously holding the right arrow. Display will flash all. Once completed, the display will show 3 lines. Done will be indicated once the master erase is complete. To exit, press and release X. Press and release X again. To go to standby mode indicated by RDY.